Don't miss the details and know more about what's happening at your home or office from anywhere. For minimal cost to you, Arlo Smart is an affordable way to add more peace of mind to your life. Get added protection that saves precious time that could make the difference in an emergency situation. With Arlo Smart, you can customize notifications, easily select from a variety of alert types, including people, vehicles, animals, and even packages, while also reducing ones that are less important to you. Arlo's rich notification feature allows you to react quickly if a person doesn't look familiar to you. Simply hold your finger on the alert to get a better view. From there, you can choose to call a friend, dial emergency services, or even sound the siren. You can even mute reoccurring notifications, such as when your kids are playing in the backyard. Enable package detection to notify when a package is delivered at your door. Arlo Smart also alerts you when vehicles park in front of your home or in your driveway. And animal detection alerts you when your pets sneak out or if an animal comes into your yard. Gain additional peace of mind knowing that Arlo Smart stores your recorded clips for 30 days, so you can look back at past events and share clips with friends and family. You can also pinch and zoom in on a video to see clear details in up to 4K video resolution. You can create activity zones and now only receive notifications for the activity that happens within the zone you created. So you won't be alerted for motion that you don't care about, such as when a tree branch is blowing in the wind, or when your neighbor returns home. So which plan is best for you? Choose how many Arlo cameras you want to enable with Arlo Smart. The single camera plan is best if you only have one camera. And the multi-camera plan supports up to 5 cameras. If you have Arlo cameras that support up to 2K video or less, you'll want to pick the Smart Premier plan. If your cameras support up to 4K video, you'll want the Smart Elite plan so you can watch recorded videos at the highest possible resolution. It's just that simple. So confidently protect what matters most to you, anytime, anywhere. Subscribe to Arlo Smart today and get ultimate peace of mind.